So this is going to be the start of this week's weekly vlog. Today is Monday, and a lot of our friends who have kids, their kids are starting back to school this week already. My daughter is going to be starting at her kindergarten next week. We have the meet and greet on the 28th, and then her first day of school is going to be on the 29th. Mixed emotions, obviously, because she's my oldest and I've never had a child in kindergarten before, so super excited for her, yet it's like such a huge milestone, and I really don't know what is going to be involved as far as emotions go. It might just be like drop off and see you later, because she did go to preschool for 2 years, where she went for 3 days a week and it was half day. You basically drop them off and then you pick them up, 3.5 hours later. So it's basically going to be the same thing. I don't think it's going to be as crazy or emotional as it would be like when she goes to first grade, because when you go to first grade, it's all day long. So you go to school at like 8 o'clock and you get off at 2:30. So having her be gone that much time, it will definitely be emotional. But the, not preschool, she's done with preschool, the kindergarten that we're going to, it's a half day, but every day. And so we're going to be doing some school shopping and some clothes shopping to get her excited for it. And then today we have a house showing in about an hour, so we're going to take the kids to the pool. We've been having showings every day. We had an open house on Saturday, and so just keeping our fingers crossed, praying that we get our house sold. Everything with the new house is still in motion and everything is going really well. So just good vibes, good prayers. If you have any to offer, please keep us in mind. And it's been quite stressful, needless to say, because we did buy a new house and we still have our current house. So we thought we would have already sold by now, but the market has really slowed down. And so we are just dealing with it day by day, and hopefully we will get an offer here soon. But if I can just talk briefly about the home selling process, we have to leave our house like nobody lives here, like it's a model home every single day. So I have my own cleaning routine. I try to keep the house as clean and tidy as possible, and so to have to make sure the house is gleaming anytime before we leave the house on any given day of the week, it's just a lot. It's a lot of stress, because with 2 kids, you can't really control what they're going to play with next, but just venting as a mom and selling our home right now. That being said, my husband's going to be home in a little bit, and I'm taking the kids to the pool. Hey everyone, it is Tuesday. It is actually towards the end of the day, and my husband is outside with the kids playing. It has already been a crazy week. So I didn't mention this before, but we got rear-ended twice, not once, but twice, in like a span of 4 days. So today I went back and got my car. We were in a rental car for about 4 days. Yeah, that whole experience of having to take out 2 car seats and then double stroller, we have a bob out of one car and then put it into another car. That in itself is a pain in the butt. And then after the whole car situation, my kids and I went to this place called Kidsville. It's kind of like a gymnastics center, kind of meets like make-believe, dress up with like a lot of kids' toys and a slide. So we were there for a couple of hours. And then after Kidsville, we raced home and got our house ready because we had another showing today, which is super exciting. So I pretty much had the house totally clean, just a few little things to tidy up. So luckily everything else was done. And then we left and had dinner. I took the kids to Habit Burger, which we totally love. They just introduced this chicken, kind of strawberry, almond, balsamic vinaigrette salad. So delicious. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, Wednesday. Hey everyone, it is Wednesday. Again, it is later in the day. I'm actually cooking dinner right now. Today was fairly relaxed. We had 2 showings today, started at around 3:30. So we made sure the house was nice and tidy. The kids just played indoors because it was really hot outside. And so then I took the kids over to Sprouts to get some snacks, and then we went over to a nearby park and had some outdoor fun. then we came home and a bunch of kids are outside playing in our cul-de-sac, which is a really nice feature to have. If you have a family and you live in a cul-de-sac, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So they're outside right now playing with my husband, and I'm in here cooking dinner. Earlier today, I cooked up some Brussels sprouts and some butternut squash. I just roasted them in the oven. It was so super easy. If you never roasted vegetables before, it'll change your life. You need to start doing it. So it's super easy. If you guys want a recipe or like super easy cooking instructions, let me know down below.